Okay, we look at this question which says find the range of values of x for which 2x squared is less than 3x plus 14. Right, so our answer 2x squared less than 3x plus 14. Let's bring all these terms to this side of the less than side. So 2x squared, if this one is brought this side, it will be minus 3x, then minus 14 is less than 0. Then let's just factorize this part so that we find the critical values. So our product 2 times negative 14 is negative 28, and then our sum is negative 3. Then we can identify the factors that can give us the 28 if we multiply, and when we add, they give us negative 3. We have 1 times 28. Now we also have 2 times 14. Then 3 doesn't go there. 4 goes in. 4 times into 28. 4 times 7. Yeah. 4 times 7, and I think these are the factors that we need. So for us to get negative 3, it means the 7 there must be negative. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. 4 minus 7 is negative 3, alright. So we substitute 2x squared minus, in fact, plus 4x minus 7x, because of this negative, minus 14 is less than 0. So that gives us the factorizing by grouping terms, 2x common. Then here we have x plus 2 into 4, that is just 2. And then minus 7 is common. Here we have x plus 2 less than 0. Then we have x plus 2 as well as 2x minus 7, this less than 0. So if we equate this one to 0, we are simply getting x as being equal to negative 2, or x being equal to, that would be 7 over 2 over 2 gives us 7 over 2 positive. So these are the critical values. Now what we need to do is simply to test where it is correct. So we have negative 2 here on the number line. We can have 7 over 2 somewhere there. So what we do is we are going to pick a number slightly less than negative 2 and see if it agrees in this inequality. Then we get another number here. We test it, and another number. We are looking for signs. So let's say if we got negative 3, I think that's the immediate number that is less than negative 2. If we pick negative 3, we can test it from here or even here, it's still fine. So if we say negative 2 plus 2, that gives us 0. Then here, that means everything else will actually be 0. But if we get negative 3, so if we use the critical values, we may not find anything that we want. So we pick the number that is less than slightly less. If we put negative 3 here, it will give us negative 1. The whole value here will be negative 1. We put negative 3 there. That gives us the negative 6 minus 7, that's minus 13. Then the negative and the negative gives us positive. So if we get a positive value is not less than 0. So that means this side is not part of the solution that we want. Then we pick a number between negative 2 and 7 over 2. The simplest we can pick is 0. So if we pick 0, 0 here gives us this one as 2. Then here if it is 0, it will be negative 7. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14, which is less than 0. So here we are okay. Let's just test. 7 over 2 is roughly 3.5. So a number slightly greater than 3.5. that is 4. If we put 4 here, the sign that we get is 6, and then we put 4 there. 2 times 4, 8, it's a positive value, which is greater than 0. So here again, it's wrong. So that means our solution is just here. So we can give our answer.